Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be cooking a beautifully simple orzotto with just a few ingredients. So it's really straightforward. There's orzo pasta going into it, which basically just looks like rice, and tomato sauce, a base, and should be really nice. So let's get going.
So this is a really simple dish. I'm going to start off by boiling the orzo separately, and then gonna make the base of the sauce with the peppers and the onions, then add the garlic, not too early so that it doesn't burn. Then once that's all softened, gonna add the tomato puree and the tomatoes. Then gonna give it some flavour with the oregano and the lemon. Then we're gonna turn it into a sauce with the vegetable stock, and then we will finish it off with the parsley.
It's more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes up. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes up. Don't hide it.
So I'm going to add the peppers first because they take the longest to soften. So it's been about 3 minutes since the peppers have gone in, so now they're just starting to look a little bit browner, a little bit softer, so now's a great time to add the diced onions, so I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to add a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil because it gives it a nice extra taste and it stops it from sticking.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, and I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad for business.
So every so often, just give it a stir if it starts to stick. You can also add a little bit of warm water as well, that'll help.
But I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't.
So I'm just going to try the final dish. Yeah, that's a really nice flavour. It's just topped off nicely with like the lemon juice and the tomato sauce base. So yeah, definitely recommend you try this. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see in terms of recipe videos. Don't forget to subscribe as well so you don't miss out on any new recipe videos that are coming out. And I will see you all very soon.
See what I mean? No, we'll give it a go. Okay.